Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to unblock someone on Venmo. Launch the app on your mobile device. If you are not already logged in, enter your Venmo credentials to access your account. Tap on the equal icon or the settings option to open the main menu. From there, select friends or connections to view your friends list or connections on Venmo. Scroll through your friends list or use the search function to find the person you want to unblock or unfriend. Once you locate the person, tap on their name to view their profile. Look for an option like unfriend, remove friends, or disconnect. After selecting the option to unfriend or remove the person, you may be asked to confirm your decision. Confirm to proceed with removing them from your connections on Venmo. If you wish to re-add the person later, you can search for them again and send a friend request or connection request through Venmo. Additionally, you can review and adjust your privacy settings on Venmo to control who can see your transactions, friends list, and other account details. This can help manage interactions with specific users more effectively. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.